liking what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why the when I
Hi babies, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. For my new subscribers, hey! So today I am bringing to you this look, and I want to, get back into the groove of doing makeup tutorials once I have the chance to do it, because that was one of the main reasons why I started doing YouTube, and so I don't feel like I should stop doing makeup tutorials. So before I get into this video, I wanted to let you guys know that my friend, she's doing this new business venture where she's doing t-shirts with different quotes and stuff like that, and this one, it says been avoiding people way before corona. We don't know corona mashed up the place and I'm stressed out. I don't think I'll be able to get married this year anymore, so like don't stress me out. Like it mashed me up bad. Man, I'm telling a lie. But anyways, don't forget to check out Tea Things if you're interested in purchasing any of these teas. And as I said, she has different coats that she will be putting on different t-shirts. So with no further ado, let's just get right into this makeup tutorial. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows and I also based my lid, because this is a step what I do all the time. So I'm just going to jump right into this tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to go into the Morphe 35B palette, and I'll be using these two shadows, and I'll be applying this directly into the crease area. So now I am going to be going into my Zulu Palette, and I'll be picking up this shade, and I'm going to be applying this onto the outer area of the crease color. Okay, so I'm going to be using a white base to cut my crease. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take forever to fix up my cut crease, but that's because I'm always struggling to do my cut crease. But I'm going to be taking the black and blue shadow, and I'm just going to be pushing that upward, and I don't want it to go too far. Sometimes I feel like I don't have enough lid space to do what I want to do. Okay, so I am going to be using this blue eyeshadow, so I'm applying this right above where I applied my outer V color. So now that I'm through packing on the blue where I want it to go, I am just going to be brushing off like the excess shadow off the brush, and I'm going to dip in the white and I'm going to just blend out the ends of where I stop the blue shadow. And this is to kind of have the white fuse into the blue and not having a harsh transition. So you see how it gets light and then it gets bright. So that's what I'm going for. And I'm also going to be going back in with the blue and black shadow. And as I said, I want a smooth transition of the shadows flowing, like, you know, blending into each other seamlessly. So after which I'm going to be using another brush. First I'm going to be packing on the white, and I want to go around my cut crease area, so I'm using a brush that can help me to define my cut crease. So I'm now going to be using another brush just to pack the white onto my lid, and I'm going to have to go over this a few times until I get to my desired shade. This is why I hate using white shadows. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I'm going to be first priming my skin using the Sol de Janeiro moisturizer, and I'm just basically moisturizing my skin. After which I'm going to go in with the Milk of Magnesia, and I'm just basically basting the skin so that I don't get oily before I want to. So for foundation, I am going to be going in with the Juvia's Place Magic Foundation, and I'm using the shade Burkina, which is 310, and I'll be using a brush to blend this out. For concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer. So I'm going to go under my eyes with the deep olive. So I'm applying this under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I'll be blending this out with a damped beauty blender. And I do have a review on this, which will be up on my channel very, very soon. So I'm just going to be setting this, and I'm pushing it right into the skin just like I normally do. So because I'm not through with my eyes, I'm going to go under the ear just to place some powder, because I'll be touching my face. I recently started doing this step, and as you can see, I press the powder into my skin first, then I place this on top of it, because what I realize is that if I apply my concealer and then leave my face to bake, like, the powder will not move and that can't work, right? So because I'll be touching my face, that's why you know, the powder can use as a barrier, you know, for me to not mess up my face. So okay, I'm going to go back into the eye. So for my waterline, I'll be going in with this LA Color contour stick, and I'll be placing this on my waterline. So using that same blue shadow on the lid, I'm going to be placing this on my waterline. So now I am going to be going below this with a black gel liner. Okay, so I'm now going to dust the powder away. I'm now going to be contouring with my CoverGirl Ebony Bronze. So I'll be going into my Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1, and I'll be using these two shades. The Juvia's Place Blush Palette is like the bomb.com. Okay, I am going to be setting my face, and I'm using the Mario Badescu facial spray. And I like to just push that into the skin. Yo, my face looks so good. Alrighty, so I'm going to be applying highlighter, and today I'm using the Artist Couture Diamond Gold Powder in Illuminati. Okay, so I went to fix my hair and put on my clothes, you know. And so now I'm just going to apply my lips. So I'm using this Victoria's Secret lip gloss, and this is called Love It. So I'm going to be applying this onto my lips. So I like my lips to be like juicy, glossy. So I'm going to get in with the ColourPop So Juicy in Princess Cut, which is the clear gloss. As you can see, I'm milking it for everything, honey. So that pretty much completes this look. Like, my face come out. Yeah, girl, my face come out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys still enjoy watching makeup tutorials, because I'm not stop to them. Okay, I just was a little bit busy, so now that things kind of slow down, I'm able to record some more looks. And I want to say thank you guys for always supporting me. Like, your support, it means so much to me. I love you all so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye, babies. Is it? It's not. Focus on me now. Let's bring it down a little bit more. A little bit more. Because you know that was so for blush, to be going into my palette, and this is volume 1. Yo, this the Juvia's Place blush palette. The Juvia yeah, I'm looking for it. It's right here.